In today's video, we are going to discuss about Google Translate and how it's work. I can read it. It say Shuddh Sakahari. But what if I was a tourist from Japan? How would they know this is a vegetarian restaurant? Just like a language I don't understand became a crystal clear with the help of Google Translate. So this is Google Translate. Over 500 million people use it every day and it work on text, voice, image and even in live conversation. But here is the real question. How does a machine actually understand a human language? So today we are going to open up the Google Translate brain and see exactly how it turn your word into another language. And trust me, the answer is way crazier than you think. So before we talk about the new magic, let's go back in time. Older translation system used something called phrase based machine translation. Basically, they would cut the sentence into tiny pieces, translate each pieces separately, and then stick them back together. So, if you said, I love eating spicy pani puri, the uh, robot will go, I equal to मैं, love equal to प्यार, eating equal to खाना, spicy equal to मसालेदार, pani puri equal to pani puri. And it will give you answer, मैं प्यार खाना मसालेदार पानी पूरी. It doesn't make any sense. So what it is doing, it's actually translating the language as it is. So when you divide a sentence into word and try to translate each word separately, the sentence you end up making doesn't make any sense. So our sentence is I love eating spicy pani puri, and when we break it and translate it, it becomes मैं प्यार खाना मसालेदार पानी पूरी. So it doesn't make any sense. It's like a robot learned Hindi from a broken dictionary. The grammar is wrong, the meaning is lost, and it sounds terrible. This was the problem. Machine were translating word by word, not meaning by meaning. Now, then in November 26, Google dropped a bombshell. They introduced something called Neural Machine Translation. The short form is NMT and it changed everything. Here is the difference. The old way translate word by word like reading a dictionary. The new way translate whole sentence at once like a human translator. Imagine you are translating uh, the English sentence to Hindi. The food in the restaurant is amazing. The old system would translate each word individually and mess up the grammar. The neural system look the entire sentence, understand the meaning, and then write the proper Hindi sentence that actually sound like a human said. The translation appear smoothly. इस रेस्टोरेंट का खाना अद्भुत है. The food at this restaurant is amazing. See, The words are in right order. The meaning is perfect and it sound natural. And here is the best part. The system learn over time. Every time someone use Google Translate, the machine gets a bit smarter. It's like a student who keep practicing and become a master. But wait, there is a even a bigger secret. In 2020, in 20, 2007, 2017, Google introduced something called transformer model. This is the real magic behind the Google Translate today. Here is a problem with the language. Word can mean different thing in different context, right? So the word bank are highlighted and connected to different word in the different sentence. Let's take an example of word bank, BANK. So if I say I need to go to a bank to withdraw money, so here bank means financial institution. Okay. And if I say the river bank is flooding, here bank means edge of the river. So two bank have two different meaning. The transformer model shows the bank comparing it to every other word in the sentence. The transformer model use something called attention mechanism. It compare every word to every other word in the sentence. In I need to go to bank to withdraw money, the word bank see the word withdraw and money nearby. So it think it's a financial bank. And in the river bank is flooding. The bank see word river and flooding, so it think it's this is the edge of the river. So it's like machine is a detective looking at the clues in the sentence itself to figure out the exact meaning. So transformer model is attention mechanism plus context understanding. Now here is where it gets personal to us. India has 22 official languages and hundred of dialects. Google Translate now support over 110 language globally and they keep adding more Indian languages. So in recent year, Google has added the Indian language like Sanskrit, Bhojpuri, Dogri, Assami, and even regional dialect like Awadhi, Marwari, Chhattisgarhi, and Tulu. In December 2025, Google Translate got even a bigger upgrade. They integrated Gemini, Google most advanced AI, into the Translate. What does that mean? If you say it's raining like cat and dog, it wouldn't translate literally. It will understand the meaning and give you the Hindi equivalent. Live translation with headphone. You can have a conversation with someone speaking a different language and you can hear the translation directly in your ear in real time. That what Google Translate does. Imagine you are talking to a friend from Tamil Nadu while you are speaking Hindi and your headphone translate everything instantly and the future and it's happening right now. So Google Translate plus Gemini is equal to next level translation. Okay, but how does the machine actually learn all this? Google feed the machine billion of sentence in different language. For example, English, this the cat is on the mat. Hindi, बिल्ली चटाई पर है. And the machine look at the million of these pairs. It start noticing patterns. The cat actually become billy. On the mat usually become chatai par. And over the time, the machine build up a massive mental map of how word and syntax sentences connect between languages. It doesn't memorize translation, it understands the pattern and can translate sentence it has never seen before. This is called deep learning, and it's the same technology that power the self-driving car, facial recognition, and even ChatGPT. Training with million of example plus pattern recognition. So let's wrap this. Google Translate worked because of three big idea. Number one, it it translates the whole sentence, not just the word. So grammar is correct and it sounds natural. Number two, it used the transformer model with an attention mechanism that look at the context of every word to understand the real meaning. And number three, it's learned continuously from billions of example and gets smarter every single day. So that is all about Google Translate. Hope you understand this and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.